know the difference between data administrator and database administrator, and this is very important concept for students' point of view. Initially, you must understand who will manage data and who will manage the entire database, the centralized control of data, the control all functions of database management system. So here, what is the responsibility of data administration? The data administration is a person who controls the data of the database, refers to the data administrator. The person who controls the data, and he can analyze the data, and he can find what type of data is stored in the database, and he can design the phases of the data, and he is a senior level management person, and he cannot be a technical person, but we will give some senior level person in the organization. So in shortcut we can say DA, that is a data administrator, is a business focused person but should understand about the database technology. So this is about data administrator. He is the person in the organization who controls the data of the database. Here, what is the control of the data? What type of data is stored in database? What type of analysis, data analysis, and what type of data is gathering? So how many pages in data storage? All this information managed by the person is known as data administrator. So we cannot say he is a technical person. Only he is having some knowledge about data technology. So we will consider him as some senior level person in the organization. And he is a focused business person. But he must understand the database technology. Okay, this is the role of data administrator. And who is having more power compared to DBA? This question is for you. So you have to answer after database administrator description, explanation. Okay. So normally in the beginning itself, the simplified structure of database management system, I already told you, control all the functions of database management system. The person is known as database administrator. And what he will control, he will design the database, and whatever he needs, if there is an upgrade in the database, so it is also under the control of database administration only. Basically, he is a technical person having knowledge of database technology. Selection of database management systems and software tools for installation and upgrading database management systems. Managing data security, privacy and integrity. These are very important. He can maintain the security, privacy and integrity of data. If there is any loss in the database, so backup and recovery is also the responsibility of DBA. All these functions are under the control of database administrator. A person in the organization who controls design and analysis of the database refers to the database administrator. And what he provides the technical support for implementing database. Database administrator works on design, development, testing, operational phases. Okay. So here operational phases means managing data security, integrity, and whenever we need we have to perform some operations. So that is known as operational phases. And he is a technical person having knowledge of database technology. He must know about the complete details of database technology. DBA does not need to be a business person. So that means database administrator no need to be a business person, but he is a technically focused person, but he should understand about the business to administrator the database effectively. To administrate the database management system effectively, he has to understand the business also. So why I am telling business here? Because every enterprise there is some business. So he has to understand the business to maintain the database effectively. This is database administrator, and this is a very important coming classes. What is DBA and what is DA?